Hi there, my name is Kundai and I will be your instructor in this stock trading and cryptocurrency trading course. Together, you and me are going to learn how to become a stock trader and Bitcoin trader or investor. Together, we will go through a platform called TradingView to perform technical analysis and go through candlestick patterns that will help you determine trend changes within a market. During this course, we will go through what a stock is and how it can be traded, as well as what a cryptocurrency is and how it can be traded. This will give you a really good idea on how you can start investing for yourself in either market and potentially start growing substantial wealth. Now, this course is aimed at complete beginners, so there is no need to have prior experience in trading stocks or cryptocurrencies to enroll in this course. You don't even need to know any trading terms or jargon. We're going to start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step. First, we will go over the differences between a stock and a cryptocurrency. We will look at how both can be traded in the real world and start learning about technical analysis. I will show you how to use TradingView, a charting tool that we will be using to perform all our technical analysis. Then we will learn how to read candlesticks on a chart. I'll go over all of the essential technical indicators that are necessary to execute good and profitable trades. These include moving averages, relative strength index known as RSI, and moving average convergence divergence known as MACD. We will even make use of these technical indicators in various trading strategies that you will learn. An important part of maximizing your trading strategies will involve technical analysis, risk management, and being able to utilize charting platforms such as TradingView. This is why I'll be teaching you how to do it all, to help boost your chances of making good and profitable trades. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid grasp on how to perform technical analysis on any stock or cryptocurrency chart. You will have confidence in executing good and profitable trades. This class will kickstart or enhance your skills to the next level. So I hope that you're ready to upgrade yourself and go from a beginner to a pro trader. Enroll now and I'll see you in class.